Hey guys, so me dumbass that I am, I was like, okay, I'm gonna bring my vlogging device and vlog when I'm at my boyfriend's place and stuff, but mysterious thing, I forgot the SD card. Oh my god, am I a noob or what? So I haven't vlogged anything yesterday and not anything today because I just got home. And I am so stupid. So here what happened this weekend, and I'm just gonna explain it. So this weekend, I went first to the child program to get the child program done. Did that. The second thing that I did was going to. Love you too, honey. Love you. So then we went, me with the bus to Lelystad, and then we went from the bus station to the mother's place of Patrick and Dad. Then we stayed there, and it was so cool because I love making cakes and pies and muffins and that kind of stuff, and cupcakes. I love baking, and I told her about, you know, me making stuff, and I love baking. And she told me like, oh, we have a lot of stuff, baking stuff, and she had a lot of package of muffins and cake and stuff. And she even had food coloring. So I was like, wow, cool. We can make a rainbow cake or a rainbow something. And she was like, yeah, it's a good idea. So we're going to make a rainbow cake, I think, this weekend. This weekend? What? Next weekend. Oh, and sorry guys, and you guys are really shaking because it's very cold. It was very cold outside. My hands were red. So we made an appointment for baking, and that Saturday I have an appointment, and I really need to be there because every time I'm not there and it really sucks, and now I have it on my mobile. So first I need to go there, then I'm going to Lelystad to bake something with their mother, and then I'm gonna sleep. Probably sleep over there again. I don't know. And then yeah. So that's basically the plan next weekend. And so we went Saturday night, we went back to the house, sleep. Then Sunday he woke me up very sweetly, and then we played like Skyrim. It was totally amazing. I love Skyrim. I love it. And yeah, so we had a really awesome weekend, and we went to Patrick's aunt, which was also amazing. And yeah, then I had to go home, but didn't like that at all. I really miss him a lot. You know, I do see him at work, but it's kind of different, you know? Anyways, I see him tomorrow. That's cool. So I'm trying to find a recipe what I can make for tomorrow. Spinach with goat cheese. Okay, cool. So Patrick, the sweetheart that he is, said, have you vlogged today? And I was like, oh no, thank you for reminding me. He does it every time. I'm really, really, really happy that he does that. So, oh guys, you're shaking. Oh, actually, I'm shaking. Goosebumps. I have already the heater up, and I think Logan is also happy with seeing me again, seeing me back. Are you happy, Logan? Such a cutie. So I'm gonna put some new food in Logan his bowl and some new water because I haven't done that. I really need to do that. I got a call from someone. Who is that? It's Patrick. Hello. Hi. Okay, so I'm going to bed. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Ooh, it's cold. And yeah, gonna see you guys tomorrow. It's way cold.